Take command of the road in the 2021 Toyota Highlander. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, turn signal indicator mirrors, lane departure warning, and remote keyless entry. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 8. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.